Welcome, today I'm with VIVO Y33s and I'll show you how to check battery temperature on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store firstly, and here on the search bar type the Ampere. Now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds while application installing on your device. Now just open the app and here click yes I agree, pick close, and here on the left down corner tap to OK. And as can you see right now, we got here the temperature of our battery, that's 30.5 degrees. And also we got here another information about the health of our battery, which is the level, the model of our device, the Android version, and more another info. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.